Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to delete Google Business account. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for My Business. Now, a bunch of options will be displayed on your screen. Simply select the target business and the selected profile will appear on the screen. Here, click on the three dots icon at the top and then select Business Profile Setting from the drop-down menu. Now you can see an option called Remove Business Profile is present in the floating window. You just need to tap on it and access the Remove Profile Content and Managers feature from here. Now, a bunch of cautions will be displayed like a list. If you want, you can try reading it beforehand. Once you're done with it, click on the Continue button at bottom right corner and then tap on the Remove button to confirm the action. So that's basically how you can delete Google Business account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.